What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCHEVYRYDER254. You can see we out here in the garage, 6-0 right there. Cam. Got old Cam, new Cam. Old Cam, if you can't tell, new Cam, if you can't tell. Finna go ahead and get this lubed up and get it inserted. That sounded nasty. But it is what it is. Like I said, I didn't see any scarring or marring. All the surfaces look to be smooth. Nothing. To find a set of lifters, man, that's gonna be not necessarily a chore, but just a little bit of extra bit of insurance. I think that will work great though. So before we install this, we gotta get it lubed up. Some people use assembly spray or assembly lube. What we are using is EP Super Lithium Moly Grease, extreme pressure grease with Moly. Gotta have that Moly. Shout out to the driveway engineer, pointing me in the right direction with this. So I think we'll be good to go. So let me get some gloves on, get this cam lubed up, and then we'll get it put off in the block. Alright, so as you can see, new cam is installed. It's in there. It's spinning freely. That's exactly what we want. Exactly what we want. So, also what we did buy was, let me show you. We bought a new gasket for that seal there. It's a Mahali part number B31822, and that's gonna replace this old one here. I've been told that if this one is like flat, then you want to replace it. So that's definitely flat. So no worries. We got a new one. You can kind of even see through the plastic how it's sticking up. Let me grab it out for you. That way I can actually show you the difference. So as you can see, let me see and get a good angle. So as you can see, it is protruding, off of it. You know what I'm saying? The gasket is protruding off of it there, versus being flatter than a bitch here. You know what I'm saying? So definitely just had to be replaced. Here's what it is. So as you can see, when they match up, same part number. That's another thing I guess you want to make sure that you do if you're replacing parts. Make sure that you know they're the same fitment, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, man, new cam is installed. It's lit. It is lit and it is rotating freely. That is all we need. Yeah. Y'all don't hear it? It probably spin a lot faster than that, but you know. Alright, so now we got our torque wrench. These need to be tightened down to these bolts for this retaining plate need to be tightened down to 18 foot-pounds of torque. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed. Bolts look good. Don't need to be threaded or nothing like that. Or cleaned out. So let's get it. Alright, so we got that, got them in, got them torqued down, and we are good to go with that. New thing in there shining like, ooh, like feed me, nigga, feed me. Alright, so as you can see, very important, make sure you have that bottom dot lined up to the top. And what you want to do is what I'm going to show you right here is your old or older timing set here. What you want to do is you want to make sure, let me show you. What you want to do is you want to make sure that them is lined up just like that. You know what I'm saying? You see it, bottom dot, and you got your top dot. Line them up. Have both of them lined up, you know you're in time, you won't have no issues. Straight like that. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCHEVYRYDER254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSCHEVYRYDER254, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSCHEVYRYDER254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.